All right, Corvette fans, look what we have here. 2012 Chevrolet Callaway Corvette convertible. Wow, one of 25 that were made, and it was to celebrate, represent their 25 years in business as far as Callaway went. Been tuning and tweaking vets since 1987, so here it is, 25th anniversary of Callaway Corvettes. Now, underneath the hood will be the supercharged LS3, be a root-style blower system producing 620 horse, 555 pound-feet of torque. As you can see, carbon fiber splitter up front, and also, I guess if you carbon fiber cowl, if you will, or hood bulge, and you can see the engine and the blower up from underneath there when you're inside the car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay and check out the underside of the car, interior trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. 25 of these were shipped from Chevrolet right to Callaway. Every one of them was in the cyber gray metallic. And this particular one, little over 4,500 miles on it. So extremely nice shape. The statistics on this car say it'll go the quarter mile in 10.9 seconds at 127, 129 miles an hour, I believe it was. These cars will move. Callaway forged wheels. And you can see this car is extremely straight, free of really much for nicks, dings, scratches. Couple little tiny spots on the carbon fiber splitter up front. You can see that in the still pictures. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle also. Come around to the exhaust here. You got the center dump, dual exhaust, carbon fiber small spoiler on the back. Of course, these have the power top in 2012 as far as the convertible top. It is a black cloth top, rear glass window. And at the end of the video here, I'm going to roll that up so you can see, or fold it up so you can see it also. We'll run the top up. Now, these were all Grand Sports when they were shipped to Callaway. There's coupes and convertibles, but of the 25, they were all Grand Sports, and they're all in the same color. Of course, the carbon fiber package that we've talked about, those forged wheels, would have all been on this Bilstein shocks. Michelin Pilot Sports wheels. This is also signed by Reeves Callaway on the engine bay, on the engine. And we'll check that out here just shortly. Let's fire this up so you can hear it run. Of course, the supercharger does have an intercooler, also has high flow fuel system, high flow intake, and then stainless exhaust also. Some of the specs on it, besides just what the Grand Sports would have came with. Of course, very nicely equipped cars, the Grand Sports in themselves. Callaway just taking it to the next level. So, of course, power windows, power locks, memory seating, Bose stereo system, power seats both sides, and you can see the seats are in very nice shape, as well as the floor mats, carpeting, dash, center console. All right. Commemorative logo here on the steering wheel, and of course the red stitching, the ebony interior, some carbon fiber on the dash, the 15 and 25 plaque. Let's go ahead and start this up. Of course, 6-speed manual transmission, you can see there. $45.96, so like I said, a little over 4,500 miles. No warning indicators, anything like this. This car has a clean Carfax, no paint work, no accidents. Of course, navigation system, dual climate control, heated seats, OnStar. All right, I'm gonna pop this hood while I'm here too. Slip around to the back. No crazy sounding exhaust, although this will have a whistle to it with that blower. When you get on this one on the road, it's gonna get throaty. Be able to hear it, be able to hear that blower. Let's go ahead and flip this hood up. And again, you can see that cowl is functional. You can see down through it when you're sitting in the car. It's that Brit style blower. Very clean engine bay. And everything's just the way it would have came from Callaway. It's not been modified since then. There's Reeves Callaway signature. And then numbered, of course. 15 of the 25. Smooth running engine. And remember, LS3 supercharged with 620 horse. 555 pound-feet of torque. All right, I'm gonna button that hood up, turn the car off, get the top up. I want to show you the condition of the top here quick too at the end of the video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, tops up. As you can see, cloth. Black top, rear glass window with defrost. Tops like new too. No rips, tears, any sort of excessive wear or anything like that. All in good shape there also. What you'd expect with a little over 4,600 miles on it. So if you're looking for a rare Corvette, here it is, 2012 Chevrolet Callaway Corvette, number 15 of 25 made. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.